Hey techies, have you ever tried or even think to develop circuit in real life that you have seen in the books or internet? This study is usual that crores of students are doing along with you. But being extraordinary and gain lifelong learning is not everyone's cup of tea. But you can. So let's talk about the common challenge that even I have faced while implementation of circuit in real time that I have seen in the books.
First.
What is the basic element required to start with circuit making?
Second.
What will be the platform to hold the circuit components?
Third.
How can I frequently connect and disconnect components while experimentation?
Fourth.
How without soldering connectivity can be done?
Fifth.
Trouble of wiring mesh. So techies, all above problem have a single window solution, and that is the breadboard. It can be used in home, labs, company, college, schools, anywhere for any age group. It's a board having number of holes in it where we can fix electrical, electronic components, wires and lot of other stuffs that we use in circuit. You have to know about its shorting pattern before using it, as the holes are internally connected in a specific pattern. For better understanding, let me order the breadboard from online store ensage.com.
Page. Inside DIY package we will get the breadboard package. By clicking on it we can check more details about it. Also, details about bunch of video contain 5 different types of project making is listed here. It is available with the breadboard package for lifetime. Even if you want to watch these videos individually, then option is available here. Now going back on add to cart option, I get the checkout and here order done.
I got my order of breadboard, so let me open it. So here is the breadboard having 840 holes in it. In this breadboard there is a top and bottom layer. Usually top layer is horizontally connected, which means it is short up to 5 blocks. Similarly on the downside, just on the adjacent row, it is horizontally short up to 5 blocks. Then there is a break and again it is short up to 5 blocks. Same thing is repeated identically on the downside. Now if we talk about this middle area, all these holes are vertically short, and after this break again 5 blocks are short. Every adjacent column is free from each other and they are short vertically. Now the middle area is usually component fixing and IC fixing, and the top and the bottom area we use for power supply. So we get a long extension of power rails, we connect a IC, then there is no possibility to connect it on the top or on the bottom, but in the middle we can fix it. So every adjacent pins of IC are not short. Let's implement a circuit consists of very basic elements to just check out and verify the internal circuit of breadboard. So here I am taking a very basic circuit just to glow the LED, just for internal verification of the connections only. So for that I am taking a breadboard, and for power supply here is the battery cap having positive and negative terminals, which I am going to connect on the either side of breadboard. So positive and negative get connected. Now here is the LED, and LED have the positive and negative pins. So on the positive line horizontally it is connected, so I am connecting the LEDs positive here, and LEDs negative is connected with the resistance pin, and second end of resistance pin is in the negative side. Again here it is horizontally connected, and here it is vertically connected. So just we have put it on the same line on which LED's negative pin is connected. So finally if we provide the battery, and here you all can see LED starts glowing, that means current is flowing continuously, and our internal connections that we have understood on the breadboard is absolutely right. So here circuit is done. In this video we have learned 4 major skills. First, we understood internal connection of breadboard. Second, component fixing. Third, we got to know how IC gets differ from other components while fixing. And finally, we learned circuit making using breadboard platform. Techies, we are not leaving you blank here after this. In fact, we have breadboard package and associated videos through which you can try many more exciting circuits as shown, that too with the basic components. Even our associated video have described the concept and help you in circuit making, and I am sure you will perform lot of other tasks once you go through with all this. Stay tuned with our practical learning resource platform. Please like, subscribe and share